So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the Soundpeats Air 3 wireless earbuds. I want to thank the guys from Soundpeats for sending these over to review on the channel. These are currently $50 on Amazon, but currently there's a 10% off coupon going right now. So you definitely want to check the description of the video with current pricing and more information. These have Bluetooth 5.2, Qualcomm QCC 3040 processor, and it also has aptX adaptive. It also has 4 built-in mics, CVC 8.0 noise cancellation, true wireless mirroring, in-ear detection, and game mode. These have 14.2 millimeter drivers. You get 5 hours of battery life with the earbuds themselves, and then 17.5 hours with the charging case. This is definitely one of the thinnest charging cases that I've seen in a while. A nice matte black finish on these. You got the pairing button right there in the front, and your USB-C charging port there on the bottom. Just a little bit of branding there right on the top. And then your indicator light there in the front. Now, even though these are sort of the AirPod shape where they have the stem, it's not quite as long as some of the other earbuds out there. So you got the touch controls there on the outside, microphone close to where your touch controls are. You've also got another microphone there at the tip of the stem, charging contacts on the bottom. Overall, it looks and feels like pretty good quality here for budget earbuds. Once on the right earbud to turn the volume up, tap once on the left to turn it down, tap twice on either earbud to answer or hang up on calls. You can also play or pause whatever you're listening to by tapping twice, tap 3 times for your voice assistant, and then tap 3 times on the left one for your game mode. Hold down for 1.5 seconds to end a call. Seems like controls on here are pretty standard as far as earbuds go. Let's go ahead and see how hard it is to connect to my phone here. I thought we'd have to hit the button there on the front, but no, it just pops right up in my Bluetooth settings. Okay, so now I see why they call these Air. They're definitely smaller than some of the competition out there, and I feel like that definitely makes them a little more comfortable. Okay, these are actually pretty loud. But unfortunately, it looks like you can only take the right earbud out and then it pauses. I'm not sure why that is. Okay, so it sort of hesitated there a little bit with the right earbud, but it did stop eventually. Good thing is it looks like it stops playing when you take both earbuds out. For whatever reason, it sort of hesitates, but it eventually gets there. Okay, so game mode on here actually works pretty good in my testing. I will mention there's not a lot of bass with these earbuds compared to other earbuds that I've tested. I'm sure that's common with this style of earbud, but for me, I tend to like a little bit more bass than this. Vocals on this are really good though. I'm talking super crisp and clear. Actually, I don't know if I've heard any that sound better than these. These are gonna be really good for podcasts, watching videos online, pretty much anything you can think of. Overall, I think people are gonna be pretty happy with these earbuds. And like I said, I don't know if I've heard any that are more crystal clear than these. Really, my only complaint is I wish they had a little more bass, but of course that's gonna be personal preference. Everyone has a little bit different style as far as what kind of music they listen to and how they like things to sound. Now, I haven't tested these long enough to see if the battery life is what they claim, but from what I've seen so far, these actually perform really good. Not only that, they're really comfortable, very lightweight, you just barely know they're there. And with the shorter stem on them, they're definitely nice and compact. They seem really easy to connect to Android and iOS, so that's nice to see. If you're looking for this style of earbud, yeah, these are really good and you should definitely check these out. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.